Hey everyone! If your Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or S25 Ultra has screen issues like flickering, freezing, black spots, touch problems, or color changes, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you all the ways to test and fix screen issues on your phone. So make sure to watch until the end. The first and quickest solution is to restart your phone. Some issues like lag, freezing, or unresponsive touch could be caused by a temporary bug that a simple restart can fix. To do this, press and hold the power and volume down buttons for a few seconds. Select Restart, and once your phone turns back on, check if the issue is resolved. If not, let's move on to the next steps. Sometimes, incorrect display settings can cause issues. To check this, go to Settings, then Display, and review settings like brightness, motion smoothness, refresh rate, and eye comfort shield, blue light filter. If any of these settings seem off, adjust them and see if the problem is fixed. Software bugs can also cause screen problems, which Samsung often fixes in software updates. To update your phone, go to Settings, Software Update, and tap Download and Install. If an update is available, install it and restart your phone. Certain installed apps can interfere with the display. To check if an app is causing the issue, try booting your phone into safe mode. To do this, turn off your phone. Press and hold the power button until the Samsung logo appears. Then press and hold the volume down button until the phone starts in safe mode. If the issue disappears in this mode, it means a recently installed app is the culprit. Uninstall suspicious apps one by one and restart your phone. If the problem persists, a factory reset might be the final software solution. But make sure to back up your data first, because this will erase everything. To factory reset, go to Settings, General Management Reset, select Factory Data Reset, and tap Reset, then delete all. This will restore your phone to its original settings, which can fix software-related issues. If none of these solutions work, the issue might be hardware-related, such as a damaged screen, loose internal connections, or physical impact. In this case, it's best to take your phone to a Samsung service center or a trusted repair technician. If these solutions helped you, let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks.